YouTube, come through. It's your girl, okay, Jesnell, and I'm excited to connect with all of you on this channel. I recently wrapped up my branding video. I just wanted to share my incredible transformation with all of you. Over the past year, I've worked hard and managed to shed an impressive 80 pounds.
This girl is on fire. This girl is fire. This girl is on fire.
Thank you. This journey has not only changed my physical appearance, but has also significantly altered my mindset and lifestyle in ways I never imagined. Looking ahead, I plan to diversify my content, offering a range of topics that I'm passionate about. You can expect to see everything from fun skits and workout videos to healthy recipe tutorials and insights into the mental shifts that have helped me on this path. I've also emphasized the importance of self-care, and I'm excited to incorporate that into my content. The video opens with a heartfelt prayer and a message of encouragement to anyone who might be on a similar journey. Please cover me with wisdom and help me choose the right path. And I truly credit much of my progress to my faith and gratitude towards God, which has been a guiding light through this process. This brand video represents a big step for me, especially since I typically present a serious and focused demeanor in my professional life. In this project, you'll get to see a more playful and authentic side of me as I take on this social media passion project. If you haven't already, I highly recommend watching it. I've included a few clips in this video, and I'll likely be sharing the full video soon. In the brand video, I show the challenges of prioritizing health alongside a busy schedule and how important it is to maintain that focus, even during leisure time, including vacation.
Yes. Yes.
I shared some experiences from my personal life.
Rock and roll, baby. Rock and roll, baby. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Now it's time to pour. Pour, 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 pour.
It's the water for me, including snippets of a micro vacation workout. I also express my gratitude for the constant support of my audience and followers. A notable moment that adds a dash of humor includes the conspicuous red carpet towel. I'm broke, shit, a towel is all I got. That symbolizes my appreciation for all the encouragement I've received. There's a fun part in the video where Sherry and I plan a workout session before heading off to Jamaica. As we arrive at the gym, I couldn't help but notice an expensive car. In a lighthearted moment, I took some photos nearby, unintentionally causing some amusing chaos. It was just a playful moment. I felt it added an enjoyable and relatable twist to the video, as people do this in real life. The video then transitions into before and after footage, showing my transformation during a trip to the Caribbean islands. Man, I told you it was the water. What I hope you take away from watching this video is an inspiration, whether it motivates you, makes you emotional, or simply encourages you to share it with someone you care about. Most importantly, I hope it inspires others to take their own transformational journey. So unless your New Year plan is to squeeze into your clothes, subscribe to this channel. Hey, wait a second, don't go just yet. Hit the like button. You don't want to know how I feel about you if you don't. Liking the post is completely free.